Hello and welcome to the session on Amazon Personalize. This video is part of the AWS Certified AIML Bootcamp series. On behalf of the CloudExpert Solution team, I would like to thank you for joining us and exploring this video. In this video, we'll explore how to use Amazon Personalize to create personalized user experience. We'll start with Amazon Personalize features like user personalization, real-time recommendations, customizable recommendations, and personalized ranking. We'll then cover various personalized use cases with real-life examples. After that, we'll cover Amazon personalized recipes and sample architecture diagram. We'll conclude this video with some exam tips to answer any questions related to Amazon Personalize. Whether you are new to AWS or looking to enhance your skill, this session is for you. In today's world, most retail and e-commerce websites enhance customer experiences by offering personalized item recommendations and coupons. Here is a traditional way to generate recommendation using AIML algorithm. First, you need to identify the training data. Then you need to identify the AIML algorithm, or to be specific, machine learning algorithm you are going to use for the personalization. Followed by, you need to train the model using your training data and then validate the performance. Once that is done, you need to deploy that model, and finally you can get the prediction. You can see there are lots of prerequisites that you need to perform in traditional AIML algorithms. However, when it comes to Amazon Personalize, AWS takes the heavy lifting from you. Whenever you have the dataset, it could be streaming or it could be batch data, you can use Personalize on top of the data to generate personalized recommendations, and you can feed those recommendations to your websites, or even you can send emails, SMS, text message with those coupons or recommendations. Amazon Personalized is a fully managed machine learning service provided by AWS that enables developers to build applications with real-time personalized recommendations. You don't need extensive AIML experiences to build the recommendation system using Amazon Personalize. Amazon Personalize can provide recommendations based on real-time data, historical data, or a mix of both. It uses advanced machine learning algorithm to deliver highly accurate recommendations, making it a powerful tool for various applications. And one of the example could be Amazon.com. If you are familiar with Amazon.com product purchase, then you may have seen product recommendations. Now let me show you how Amazon.com uses Amazon Personalized to provide product recommendations to their customer. Here is my Amazon.com account, and I was trying to purchase a Echo Dot speaker. Please pay attention to this section. Bundle with these items, it is providing recommendations with other products what I can purchase with this Echo Dot and which are compatible. You can see smart color bulb. It is also providing Echo Buds and different types of smart speaker. If I scroll below, here you can see it is also providing recommendation for smart home devices. Since I am purchasing smart speaker, it is providing recommendations for smart home devices. If I scroll further below, it is saying customers also bought these items from Amazon devices. That means it is not only providing recommendations on the similar products, it is providing recommendation based on the trends that what other customers are purchasing with this or packaging with this item. Let me go back to my presentation. Another use case is Domino's. Domino's Pizza is a very famous pizza brand throughout the globe, and Domino's uses Amazon Personalize to recommend pizzas and side dishes. Here is a sample. I frequently order hand-toasted specialty pizza with stuffed cheesy bread and sometimes chocolate lava cakes or Coke from Domino's. Today, when I am trying to place an order of hand-toasted specialty pizza with specialty chicken item, it is providing 3 layers of recommendations to me. First, as part of step 2, it is providing recommendation of stuffed cheesy bread, which is my regular combination. As part of the further step, it is again providing Coke, Sprite and Diet Coke. And you can see regular Coke is the soda that I am purchasing with this pizza. And as the last round, it is again providing recommendations for desserts. And it is giving chocolate lava crunch cake also one of the options in the recommendations. So even if customer will forget whatever he or she purchased previously, based on the purchasing habit, retailers are providing recommendations for their customers. And the beauty is you can implement this recommendation in days, not even months. You don't need to build, train and deploy machine learning algorithms as we saw at the beginning of this presentation. And this tailored approach makes the ordering process more efficient and enjoyable for customers. Let's take a closer look at what Amazon Personalize can do for us. To start with, real-time personalization. Amazon Personalize updates and adapts recommendations in real time based on the user interactions. And this will ensure that the recommendations are always relevant and up to date for the customer. You can also customize the recommendations to suit your specific business needs, and that includes filtering the results, adjusting the weight of different factors, and more. Amazon Personalize tailors recommendations to individual users based on their behavior, preferences, and purchase history or shopping history. That helps boost customer engagement and satisfaction for e-commerce companies. Amazon Personalize can re-rank item in a category or search response based on user preference or history, ensuring that most relevant items are shown first. If you remember the example of Domino's, it is categorizing or ranking those items based on the purchase history. Amazon Personalize can also recommend related items or similar items to encourage exploration, upsell, and cross-sell opportunities for e-commerce or retail websites. Amazon Personalize integrates seamlessly with other AWS services like Amazon S3, AWS Lambda, Amazon API Gateway to enable you to build comprehensive personal solution. We'll see one architecture diagram in today's video. Let's review Amazon Personalize use cases. To start with e-commerce, Amazon Personalize provides personalized product recommendations to increase sales and customer satisfaction. One of the example could be Amazon.com, and we have seen that in action. For media and entertainment, it can recommend movies, TV shows, or music based on users' preference or view history. One of the examples could be Amazon Prime and Netflix. For marketing industry, it can create personalized marketing campaign to target users with relevant content. For customer support, it can enhance customer support by recommending a relevant article or solution based on user queries. Last but not least, for hospitality and tourism, one of the examples could be Zola. Zola utilizes Amazon Personalize to provide personalized wedding registry recommendation. Next, we are going to review a sample architecture diagram, how you can generate those recommendations or provide coupons or the offers when customer is browsing or purchasing in your website, retail website. First, let's assume that e-commerce website can be accessed via mobile devices or via laptop, and customer is browsing or purchasing that. So for real-time data, I can capture the stream using Kinesis data stream, and then I can use a Lambda consumer to consume the data from the Kinesis data stream and pass that to Amazon Personalize to generate the real-time recommendations. On the other hand, if you have historical data, maybe it could be in S3 data lake or it could be from your data analytics application, you can feed the data via AWS Lambda to Amazon Personalize and you can generate recommendations based on the streaming data, batch data, and a mix of both. Once the recommendations has been generated, then you can use a combination of API gateway and Lambda function to send that recommendations either to the websites when customer is browsing in real time, or even you can send those offers via email, SMS, text message, push message, whatever you want. And optionally, you can store those recommendations in database like DynamoDB, Amazon Aurora for future processing. Now let's review Amazon Personalize Recipes. Recipes are Amazon personalized pre-built algorithms that are prepared for specific use cases. Here are some example recipes. If you want to create recommendation for users, then you can use user personalized V2 recipes. The recipe name is user personalization V2. If you want to create recommendation of similar item, then the recipe name is similar items. If you want to generate recommendation for trending or popular item, then you have option to select either trending now or popularity count. If you want to rank item for users, what we saw for Domino's, you can use Personalize Ranking V2 recipe. And if you want to get user segments, then you can use Item Affinity. For AWS Fundamental or AWS Associate exam, it's better if you can remember these 4-5 recipes that may appear in your exam. On top of that, I would like to give you some exam tips. First, you have to remember Amazon Personalize is for recommendations, not for forecast. That is very important feature to remember. Personalize is for recommendations, not to generate any forecast. And recipes are predefined algorithms for common recommendation use cases, whatever we have reviewed. Using Amazon Personalize, you can generate recommendations based on real-time data, historical data, or a mix of both. For both AIML Fundamental and Associate certifications, there are no questions related to personalized model customization or in-depth processes for creating recommendations. Additionally, you won't be required to write any algorithms during the certification. As a result, we don't have a demo for this video. To wrap up this video, we have reviewed Amazon Personalized features, use cases including some real-life examples, recipes, and a sample architecture diagram to build versatile solutions. Thank you. That wraps up this module. If you found this video helpful, please give it a thumbs up, subscribe for more update, and feel free to drop any question or feedback in the comments. We would love to hear from you. I hope this session helped you gain a deeper understanding and brought you one step closer to your learning goals. Thank you very much for watching and learning with us at CloudExpert Solution. See you in the next module.